and welcome to my channel. Just a quick intro here. In this video, my daughter will be unboxing her June 2019 Crazy Cat Lady box. The Crazy Cat Lady box is $39.99 a month in the US for 3 to 4 items for the cat lady and 2 items for your cat. My daughter loves this box. It is a big hit with her, and you will see what she thinks in the video. So keep watching. Thanks.
Hey, welcome back. This is my June Cat Lady box. And let's see what's inside. We got this neat little card. It's really neat.
It tells you what all's in there.
Yeah, yay. Let's get opening. Rip. What is this? Hey, that's mine.
Oh my goodness.
Stop. I do not know what these are. But these things are
They're cat travel bottles. So you fill them with your favorite hair products or lotions and you're good to go.
So I got an orangey kitty and a purple kitty.
You can use them this when you go to
Next
Savannah.
is a flamingo cat toy.
Yep.
I'm
Timmy
a flamingo.
the Toucan.
I'm flamingo. I'm flamingo. Sorry. And then I got a cat beach towel.
Open it up.
Awesome. I've always wanted a cat beach towel. What my luck.
You already have a cat beach towel.
No, I don't. Oh, yeah. But, is this even a cat?
It's cat shaped.
Oh. There we go. It doesn't have ears. Oh, yes, it does.
Yeah, there's the ears.
Da 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 da. What? Oh.
Okay. All right. What else?
I got a cat tank top, and it says Meowtica Meowta Pinata Porla. I think that's in a different language.
It says Meowgarita, Meow Thai, and Pina Perlada. They're types of drinks, but they made them cat names.
Are they bad drinks or good drinks?
They're alcoholic drinks.
Then why am I going to wear this in school again?
You probably shouldn't wear that to school.
Okay.
It's the last time.
And a type of bird cat toy. I know my cat will love this. He is crazy. And that's the end of this box. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching and subscribe below. Oh, and tell me if you've gotten this cat box and if you think you'll like it or not. Bye.